This video tutorial I will explain ints method of random class. Here I have created a random object. Then I am calling ints method of random object. This method returns unlimited stream of int values that I am printing here. Here I have created a random object. Then I am calling ints method of random object and passing stream sizes 5. So this method returns int stream and we will get 5 random numbers because stream size I have mentioned as 5. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.